This tutorial will provide guidance on how to create your free employer account in ExperienceLink, Del Val's job and internship board for students and recent alumni, which is powered by Simplicity. To access this service, you can go to www.delval.edu/ExperienceLink. That'll take you to this main home screen. You'll click Employer, and you'll see you have two choices. You can sign in if you're already a user of the system, or you can sign up if you're new. To sign up, you have two choices. Create your free account and wait for approval, or create your free account and post a position all in one. Both steps do require approval, so this might prevent some lag time in between when you create your account and when you can actually begin to post available positions. So when you go in to sign up and post your job as a new user, job or internship, you'll see that you're first asked to enter in your company information, and anything that is starred is required. So walk through the fields one by one, complete them to the best of your ability. You'll then enter your contact information. Please let us know if you're a Del Val alum or not, and what type of contact you would identify as. Again, you can check alum if that applies to you. Then go ahead and add your company address. From there, you'll indicate you're not a robot and go through that process and click Next. You'll then be prompted to enter in your position details as a next step. If you just go to sign up, you'll see the same thing. All the information will be required. It's the same, but you won't be asked to move forward and add a position. You'll just hit submit, and then that will come to the CSPD for approval. Once approved, you will receive an email from cspd@delval.edu with a link to set your password and access the system from then on. If you post a position when you sign up, you will receive two emails. One will be your account approval with password link, and the second email will be your position approval email. Now, once you've gone through the process of signing up for the first time as a new user, you can come back to ExperienceLink at any point and sign in. When you sign in, you'll see a screen that looks something like this. Your navigation toolbar is on the left-hand side, and you can scroll down for some more details, and ExperienceLink does provide some quick links here. So you can see you can create a job posting or view job postings that you've already added. So most importantly, this jobs tab here, where you can go to view positions that you have already posted with us. And then you have to scroll down to the black button, post a job, in order to create a new position. Whenever you're adding a new position, you'll have the option to add it to just our school, Delaware Valley University, or to post to multiple schools through what's called a Simplicity Recruit account. And so for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to focus on just posting to Del Val. Whenever you post a new position, you'll see you are prompted every time to review our networking and recruiting policy. We have this in place to help protect students and to make sure that the positions that we're listing on ExperienceLink are a good fit for the majors that we offer at Del Val. Once you agree to that recruiting policy, you can then go on to add details about your position, whatever is applicable. A couple things to consider to have a really robust position description that will engage students and encourage them to apply would be to include the following details in your job description: examples of projects and daily tasks, salary and benefit information, mission and values of your organization, including any DEI initiatives you might be working on, and a description of your work environment. Is it remote? Is it hybrid? What does it look like in the office? Those kinds of details. And then you'll go on. I want to also highlight the qualifications field. This is another required field. Some best practices for this section would be to really consider realistic work qualifications and not use this as a wish list for your ideal candidate, but think about realistically what qualifications are necessary for your candidates to have. And then any realistic work experience minimums again, with primarily entry level or intern talent in mind. So students probably won't have 2 to 3 years of experience to apply for a position, but they may have a semester's worth of experience, for example. So go on through all the fields, complete as many as you're able to the best of your ability, drawing more attention to the benefits of the position is really ideal. We know that there are a large proportion of students who won't consider a position unless they know it's paid. And so if you can indicate that here, that's fantastic. And if you're able to offer a range of your salary, that's also always welcome by students. As far as how you want students to apply, they can email you directly based on the email address that you have entered in the system. You can accumulate the postings, the applications online here in ExperienceLink, or you can let them know to apply a different way. So that might be through your company website, or maybe there's a URL link that you want them to directly visit. You can enter in how long you want the position to be posted for with us. And then again, let us know if you're aware, if it's you or if you work for an alum who runs, owns, or manages your organization, please let us know. And then you can either save your work and finish it later, or just go ahead and submit it for approval. So that's how the job posting process works. And then I will also just draw your attention to your account fields. So if you want to edit any personal information or password preferences, you can do that here within the system. And then if we are hosting any events, you will be able to view that here as well. You can see that in the past, we hosted a job and internship fair in 2023. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of how to get started and helps you feel comfortable using ExperienceLink for your student recruitment and your alumni recruitment here at Del Val. And if you have any questions, please reach us at cspd@delval.edu. Thanks.